Hey, scanner users. Have you ever suffered like this before? After plenty of scans in the daytime, you got frustrated from the data process due to insufficient overlaps. Lack of tie points induced by homogeneous or large open scenes could be the biggest challenge for registering the cloud clusters. You've no choice but to invest extra time in manual registration. It's not efficient at all in this case. Born extraordinary, a qt-loss autoregistration algorithm was made to solve these problems. Goodbye to complicated manual registration process. Seeing is believing. Here's a vivid example of auto-registration on site. Power on the scanner, complete the basic settings, and start to scan. Besides remote control, the real-time on-site registration, via tablet only, will definitely amaze you. When the last scan completes, the auto-registration for all previous scans would be done shortly. The auto magic here means super fast and easy, yet, one-click refined registration is possible. Still, you may adjust and optimize manually direct on-site. Intuitive and impressive. Nothing could be more convincing than the data in the real job. Basically, it will take 3 hours for the fieldwork scans and at least another 3 hours for the process. Now, your second 3 hours could be zero when working with a qt-loss real-time auto-registration. Well, job efficiency doubled to 200% or even higher. Incredible and amazing. The real-time auto-registration algorithm brought by a qt-loss team just redefined simplicity, accuracy, and efficiency. Your views would be in your scans shortly, and your scans would be reconstructive and utilizable. Device comes with a quote while algorithm tells a good story. Curious about it? Contact us now.